Hi everybody, welcome to the Math channel. Today we're going to learn how to change percent to decimals and how to change decimals to percent. Oh, it's pretty easy. I'm gonna show you an easy way to memorize the ways you do this. And just for remind you, we have a couple examples that I'm going to give you, and we will learn easy ways to solve these problems. Sometimes we think it's a big problem, but it's not. We just have to know the easy ways to do them, and we have to feel comfortable with that. And that's why now I would like to share with you a couple of steps that I learned, and this way we help us each other. That's my wish. That's the pretty wish I want. So, for example, if they ask you, for example, let's say they want you to change 50% to a decimals, what you really want to have to memorize and remember is always percent to decimal moves two places. Always two places with the point, which is here in the front of 50, for example, to the left. Always. For example, will be the point is here because it's a whole number, will be 1, 2 to the left, like the rule said. 2 spaces to the left. Okay? So which is 0.15. That's percent to decimals. Why 0.15? Because we move 2 places to the left. Okay? That's so simple. Always. Percent to decimals, 2 places to the left. Let's do a couple more examples. Okay? For example, they asking you for changing 80%. What you will do, remember the rule, 2 places to the left. Always. 1, 2. Right? Which is, on 80 will be 1, 2. Which is 0.80. That means 80% turning to decimal will be 0.80. Is that so simple? Percent to decimals, move 2 places to the left. Okay, let's do another one. For example, they asking you for put, this is pretty good, 3%, which is one number. Don't worry, you will get the answer. Just move to place, remember. This will be equal to, let's remember the rule, 1, 2. But when it's not another number, it's just one number, we can add it 0. Any zeros you want, you just gotta move 2 places. In this case, you have 3, but you don't have another number to move over. So you put a 0 there in that space. Then will be 0.03 because we added 0. Okay? Let's do another one I'd like to share with you. Let's do, for example, if they asking you to change 5% to decimals. We say the rule, 2 places to the left. 2 places to the left. Here is 1. Here is another one, but we have a space here. So we added a 0 and will be 0.05. Is that so simple? Right? It's not too hard. The only thing you have to remember is to move 2 places to the left when you're turning percent to decimals. Now we gotta do a couple examples of turning decimals to percent. This is the rule 2 to the left when you turn percent to decimals. But now we gotta do the opposite, right? Now we're going to turn decimals to percent. For example, we have 0.12, for example, and you want to turn it to percent, which is good way to remember is the positive things from the what I just say before. Now you have to remember that you will move 2 places to the right. You see the positive before was to the left, percent to decimal, now is to the right, right? Now is to the right. Okay, we are here now. We want to turn 0.12 to percent. You gotta move 2 places to the right. We'll be here, and then will be equal 12%. Don't forget to put the signal because that's what we're doing. Okay, let's do another example. 0.05, and we want to turn it to percent. Remember, move to the right. 1, 2, right? Then will be equal 5. 5 because 0 on the left doesn't mean anything, so we have 5%, right? Because we move 2 places. Let's do another example. You have 0.01. You want to turn it to the percent, which is you move 2 places to the right, and then it will be equal to 1%. Why? Because we move to the right 2 places, and the 0 on the left side of the 1 doesn't count, and is 1%. Let's do another one. 10.10% to the percent. You move 2 places to the right. Remember the rule. Decimals to percent, move 2 places to the right. Percent to decimal, move 2 places to the left. And focus here. Will be 10%. So remember, that's so easy. It's not hard. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the description below, and subscribe for more videos in the future. This way we can help us each other to understand. And remember, whatever you learn, share with the other ones, friends, families. Remember, we are brothers and sisters. We are to help us each other and keep going. Our life is beautiful, and it's better when we help each other. All right? See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.